Hi folks, Dutchy here from Dutchy Cooking. Today we're going to be making this spatchcock chicken with some Moroccan flavours in the wood-fired oven.
Yeah, came in 17. Damn.
We've got a good fire going in our wood-fired oven. All we're going to do now is push the fire to one side. Now we're going to get on with prepping our chicken. Just got one chicken here that was spatchcocked. All we're going to do, just going to carve some lines into it, some slashes down the thighs. Take a little bit of our olive oil. We'll work that in. And next we've got some Res El Halout. So I'm going to give this a generous seasoning. And the wings. And not forgetting the inside of the chicken. Put the legs. That's our chicken ready. Take our chicken, we're going to pop it in the pan. So I've got this cast iron pan here. All we're going to do, we're just going to lay our chicken in. Around that, we've got some sweet peppers and some onions. I'm just going to lay them in as well. One got away. Some lemons. That's enough. Salt. Fresh ground black pepper. We've also got 4 cloves of roughly chopped garlic. I'm going to add just a sprinkling of olive oil. We'll pop this down into the wood-fired oven, and then we'll pop our door on. This chicken's been in for about 20 minutes. We'll have a look. See, start to take on some colour. Now add 1 tin of chickpeas. Soak some of those chicken juices. We've got some prepared couscous. We'll get this back in for about another 20 minutes. Our chicken's had 45 minutes now. The temperature's up to 72 degrees C. So we'll take it out and we'll have a look. So there we have it. That's Dutchy's Spatchcock Moroccan style chicken. So we're going for a bit of a taste test. Chickpeas, a bit of this couscous. Couscous has got a nice crunch to it. Just a bit of chicken. Look at that. Lovely moist white chicken. Give you a taste of flavour, otherwise our lanout coming through. The onions are just soft enough. If you like what we're doing here at Dutch Cooking, please subscribe and don't forget to hit that bell.